Well, hello everybody, my name's Daryl and welcome to Off the Couch. Today I am bringing you guys something a bit different. I'm doing my first night shoot. We're at the Winter Arts Festival. Winter Festival, Lights Festival in Takapuna. I'll leave a link for that in the description and we'll go and have a nosy and we'll check it out. Alright, so we're just crossing the road now coming into it. Basically the whole Takapuna is lit up. They do this every single year, once a year, for winter obviously. Hopefully my lights won't flicker. Can I cross the road tonight without being killed? That is the question. Right, here we go. So, bound to get done for copyright here, so hopefully it won't be too bad. Those trees flickering, shutter speed alright? So far so good. Hey mate. So it's all over there. There's all sorts happening. How do we get in there? I can't see much, so hopefully the lights won't do that shimmery thing because of the difference in the shutter speed. I love the trippy music. Wow, that's pretty awesome, eh? Boy, it's laughing at me because I ducked underneath that shot. So everything's all lit up, they light the trees up and everything like that, obviously. Not too bad, is it? I've got this flash little light on the top of my gimbal. The trouble is, I can't see anything when I'm talking to you guys. Wow, it's quite a bit happening here. So I guess we walk right around it, I suppose. So just so you guys know, we've cracked it tonight. The weather's fantastic. It's a nice still night. It's not too hot. It's a bit humid for winter. All this copyright I'm going to have to cut out. Kitties dancing in front of light bars. That's a restaurant. Alright. Pretty awesome. I am just on my phone, so this is the latest Samsung S24 Ultra, so hopefully it's handy in the highlights well. This is the first time I've used it at night time. Oh, let's do the walkthrough thing. Oh shit. Oops. I just walked into a pole. Gotta hold on to my wallet tight. There we go. Push through. Pushy, pushy. Got some dancing men. It's pretty awesome. Got bailing out. So there's a lot of people here. This finishes on Saturday and Sunday, depending when I get this video out. And apparently there's going to be a lot more people here than that. So check out the dude, he's operating the whole thing. What a cool job to have. Lighting up little faces. Awesome. So they've got lots of little hidden things. Every time you walk past something else turns up. So there's quite a bit here to cover. I'll do as much as I can, try not to bump into people. There's a lot of people here. Oh, I can manipulate the thing, can you? Is that how it works? Try not to trip over anything. So they got a lady over there singing. I'm bound to get copyrighted for this. It's a very well-known song. Just got to squeeze through the people without injuring anybody. Can it be done? No promises. Oh my goodness, there's so many people here. Wow. How cool. Very choice. Alright, let's go back round the other side and have a look. Hey, if you guys are enjoying this video and you want to help me out and support the channel, please check out the description for the link to my Buy Me a Coffee page. That would mean a lot. The next few weeks it's going to be hard to upload videos simply because of commitments I've got. Thinking of also starting a members only page as well, so you can get videos before they go out, the day before they go out. Let me know what you think about that. And I'm going to trip over people, so. Oh. Look at this. How choice, eh? This is pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Oh, these are they just solar powered? Well, that's bright. What do you guys think so far? This is pretty awesome, isn't it? It's not something I go to every day. I'm really curious to see how the footage looks on my phone. If it's pixelated and grainy, that's just the way it is. And there's a lot of people here. Right, we're in the middle of the garden. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Hey? What do these guys do? ferry here. Starting ferries, should I say. I think there's another whole side we've missed. I'm not 100% sure. But we'll keep looking and see what else there is. Oh, little dude with a rocket thing. That's awesome. Not too bad, eh? If you guys are enjoying it, let me know in the comments. Give me your thoughts in the comments. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. Argue with me or disagree with me in the comments, but nicely. What's happening here? I hear water sounds. I'll drop the highlights when I edit this. Hopefully things won't be so blown out. Sure what the water sounds are about. Check us out, guys. That's awesome. Oh, we haven't walked through this yet. What's this? Let's have a look. Well, I don't know what we're in. What have I gotten myself into? Wow. Sailing out. Close up with the trees. Pretty choice. Flipping phones, I can't film anything properly. Let's go and check out that marae.
Keeps times alive in our thoughts and in our history.
Dad?
What's are you doing here? The land was eroded back into the water. And on clear mornings, when the rising sun
Oh no, there's more over here. Was that what we saw when we come in?
the rock of Tukiapa,
Yeah, it is too.
shines just like a bronze statue, as clearly as the rainy portal before the sun.
Having ice cream and chili dogs. Having ice cream and
This is pretty awesome. Pre-Christian days I would have smoked a fat one, walked around here and just bust out to the max. I'm a good boy now. Okay, so we're back at the start. We're in the middle of a kids' big playground. Oh, how do you get out of here? Smoke everywhere.
It's nice.
Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. Remember, if you want to support me, you can do so. Check out the info for that in the description. I'm going to have another walk around now for my silent walking channel. Feel free to check that out as well if you like. I'll also leave a link for that in the description. And I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.